A business intends to develop a private, serverless chatbot to assist staff in managing customer inquiries. Currently, employees must search through extensive internal documentation to find answers. Which two of the following components should be utilized to construct this serverless solution? Option A, provision Amazon Bedrock with the Anthropic Claude model. Option B, configure Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart using the Llama model. Option C, deploy the model API on Amazon EC2 instances connected to Amazon API Gateway.
Option D, use AWS Lambda coupled with Amazon API Gateway to trigger the model API. Option E, use Amazon S3 to store the vector database snapshots and embeddings. This question explores the principles of serverless architecture within the AWS ecosystem for artificial intelligence applications. It tests your ability to distinguish between services that offer managed, on-demand execution and those that require the manual management of underlying virtual infrastructure, looking for the right tools to build a responsive system.
I believe the correct answers are option A and option D. To build a serverless chat interface for internal document retrieval, Amazon Bedrock is the ideal choice. It provides a fully managed, serverless interface to access foundation models like Anthropic Claude, which is excellent for retrieval-augmented generation applications. Meanwhile, using AWS Lambda paired with Amazon API Gateway is the standard serverless pattern to handle the application logic, invoke the model, and expose the chat interface to users.
Looking at the other options, option C suggests using Amazon EC2, which is not serverless because it requires managing virtual machine instances. Option B, SageMaker Jumpstart, generally involves managing provisioned infrastructure for hosting models. Finally, while Amazon S3 is a storage service, option E describes a data storage practice, not a mechanism to power the chat interface itself. For exam tips, always look for services that abstract infrastructure entirely when a requirement specifies a serverless solution.